Rational functions, communication and thinking question. I'm Anil Kumar, and this particular question I've actually discussed in a couple of my videos, but I know there are so many that at times you might have missed them. So I've therefore taken this in my question bank. The question here is, explain whether the following conjecture is true or false. If false, give a counter example. Conjecture is, a graph of a rational function will have a hole at x equals to a if x minus a is a factor of both numerator and denominator. Now this statement is true or false. Explain. You can pause the video, ask the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now, most of the time, the statement given to us is correct. Right? So if I have a function, let's say f of x equals to, let us say x minus a in the numerator, and let's say x minus b, and here we have again same factor x minus a, and let's say we have x minus c here. In that case, these two factors cancel out, and that leads to a hole at x equals to a, right? But think about this. Let me write another function here, and I'm writing the same function first, and then you will appreciate the difference. If I do square here, now what happens? Now, in the first case, they cancelled out, correct? So we were left with x minus b divided by x minus c with a hole at x equals to a and vertical asymptote at x equals to c. Now in this case, one of the factor cancels out, but still you have x minus a in the denominator, and therefore you do not have a hole here. Here we have vertical asymptote at x equals to a and at x equals to c. Do you see that? So that's a counter example saying that the statement is false. I hope you understand and appreciate this part. It's a very important concept, and I hope you take it along and appreciate it. Thank you, and all the best.